Hello my lovely viewers, welcome back to my village. Well, Peace right here. So today I'll be preparing some delicious cinnamon rolls using my locally available materials. So I'll be using my local oven, and in just a few minutes we shall be done. So kindly, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up. Well, come along. So in our bowl, I'll add in 3 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of yeast, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and then I'll give it a quick mix. Well, that's it with our dry ingredients. Now with our wet ingredients, I'll go in with 1 cup milk, 1 cup milk, a 1/4 cup oil, 1 egg, and then 3 tablespoons of plain yogurt, I'll then get some oil and drop on top. There, our dough is perfect. I'll then go ahead and cover it and let it sit for 30 minutes. So as we're waiting for our dough to get ready, our oven is getting ready. Well, going to the next stage, I'll dust our table with some flour. So I'm just trying to get a good rectangle. So that's it. So instead of butter, I'll be using cooking oil. You have butter, Blue Band, margarine, all those can work. But as for me, I'll go with cooking oil. And then with me I have some good brown sugar. So I'll sprinkle the brown sugar. So that's about a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. And that's enough. And then using a sieve, I'll go ahead and sprinkle some cinnamon. So I'll go ahead and roll. So at this stage, I'll go ahead and mark the places I want to cut. And then I'll get a thread. And then cut. So after cutting, I just go down and push it a little, then so I'll get my pan. It has some oil already. Then I'll dust it with flour. So you can see how easy things are in the village. We just get saucepan cover and then cut off the downer thing and use it as a baking pan. Well, that's it. I'll then set it aside and let it proof. This is after our second proofing, and you can see how beautiful our cinnamon rolls are looking like. So it's time for baking. So our oven is ready. It has been going for a long time. And then I'll change the side of the cover and put it upside down. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. So right now I'll go ahead and sprinkle condensed milk on our cinnamon rolls. That's enough. So delicious. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.